Hello friends, so we are almost in the end game. This is episode 9 and only one episode left. Okay, so if you don't watch Infinity War, probably won't understand the context of the end game, right? So this episode is like that. As of now, I have um, I have shown you many things. In each different episode, I showed the respective use of AI in different use cases. For example, LLM, NLP, you know, various applications involving ChatGPT, then voice with Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, Word, web, database, browser, okay. Then showed you vision related operations, okay. Episode 7 I showed you how we can build or make a portal within a minute, okay. And in the last episode I showed you about the crossbot, okay, how we can combine different bots and how we can iterate or parameterize the actions of one bot with other, okay. So basically the question is why, okay. What is the end objective? Are we going to use this capabilities in an isolated manner? No. This is all about combining the power of all, okay. I'm not going to show this again and then showing this, okay. so um, so before I start, in this episode, um, the fact is, think in a practical way. Is it always easy to pronounce everything by your voice? Can you easily pronounce a medical term? Can you easily pronounce the name of the Thor's hammer? Okay. Mm, there are cases where the pronunciation is ambiguous, okay. You have the same pronunciation for two different or three different words, okay. So those are the different reasons. And also each people has their different style, accent of pronunciation. So the point here is that it looks great that we can control everything through voice, but still we need a text console. And in this episode I am going to use that one for all the capabilities. So I'm going to do two things in one episode. I'm going to wrap up everything before we talk about the workflow, and also I'm showing you how from one place you can control all these things, how you can use all these capabilities together, okay. Now let's start with J2 pilot, okay. And in this episode I'm not going to give any verbal command to Jarvis, rather I will just type. See, it doesn't matter whether you are giving a command through voice, okay, which is actually getting translated to text, or transcribed, sorry, um, or you are giving the same command through hands. So consider hands are our inbuilt ASR engine, which using which you can directly give the command. So Jarvis needs the command. How you give it, it doesn't matter, okay. Now let's start. So let me give a quick walkthrough on the UI. So okay, so I have given it a name like J2 pilot. It doesn't matter whatever name you give it, okay. What matter is what it is capable of. Now there is a mini bar, okay. It shrinks down to this one. There is a transparency button which you can you can increase your screen visibility, okay, by setting the transparency. And there is a last action. There is no last action, we have not started yet, So if you click on that, it will load that. So that's the very simple interface. Okay, so here Jarvis reply, we will see Jarvis reply, and here our message. Okay, so whatever comment I'll give it through here. Okay, all right. Let's start with, okay, where is the, yeah, so this is like the bot summary. Okay, from 1 to 25 bots I have shown till now. So I have just categorized it in different creative purpose, creator tools using generative AI, then automation tools, then NLP, voice, vision, OMG. Okay, but thing is that it's not like only generative AI is being used for bot number 1 to 7, or only automation is being used for 8 to 9. It's a mix of multiple powers. Okay, so but yeah, primarily you can say like that's the primary power it is using. Okay, so let's start with bot number 1, document AI generator or doc generator. Okay, and here in this episode, please focus on the capabilities and not the examples. So all we need to understand that what it is capable of, because that's the capability we are going to combine in the final episode, that is workflow. Okay, all right. Activate bot 1.
Document AI bot activated.
Please generate a document on, let's say, what is the topic I should give. I think I made a list of different topics around many things. You can give any topic. Any topic means any topic. Just pick one, any one. Let's say dark matter or solar flare. Okay,
Generating within 35 seconds or less. Saving an output directory.
now I'm going to minimize it. The thing is that focus on the capability and not the example. So here, if I just load the last one, I just change it to 𝐸4.
Generating within 35 seconds or less. Saving an output directory.
Now you just saw that I just changed the or parameterize my input. Okay, the capability I was talking about is this, like instant word generation on any user given topic. Okay, so topic is just a variable here. Now what it does, it basically extracts the information, images, text from www or LLM database. I don't know exactly where these are pulling from. I don't know the source of ChatGPT exactly, but the thing is, it is pulling those information and then it is preparing the Word document. So any topic, right? So that's the capability, and it doesn't matter which topic you give. Okay. Next, activate bot 2.
PDF AI bot activated.
It's just a format difference. So generate a report on, let's say, COVID-19 vaccines.
Generating within 35 seconds or less. Saving an output directory.
Just like that, I can give any topic and the PDF will be generated instantly. Okay, let's move to the next bot. No, that's the last one. Activate module 3.
Presentation AI bot activated.
Please prepare PPT on, I don't know what topic. I have given so many topic. It's okay. Time travel, and just give it a place. I mean, it's the difficult thing. I don't know which topic I should pick. Just give any topic, top 5, or let's say grand. Okay, let's try that.
Generating within 35 seconds or less. Saving an output directory.
So this is about generating any presentation. Now think this capability in the real-time cases. You are rushing for a meeting and you are supposed to come with a presentation, but you haven't prepared the presentation. How useful that will be if you can generate just like that. Or think in a different scenario, like let's say there are multiple leads in a conference room and they are discussing on some financial or sales topics, and they can instantly generate just like that, and it is shown in the TV screen. Okay, so you just relate this with your practical work, how it will be useful if you can generate any document, any PowerPoint, any report, let's say any code at any point of time, okay, without going anywhere. I'm still working, working on this one. Okay, so just follow this throughout the whole episode, that I am not going anywhere else. I'm not going to any browser, I'm not going open anything. Okay, everything, every comment I'm just giving here. Okay, now let's say, so PPT I have shown. Next, activate bot 4.
Excel AI bot activated.
Okay, so what should I give? Please generate comparison or all-time record comparison versus Messi. Please generate a statistics on, yeah,
Generating.
it generated the goals by years. Okay, you can refine your topic to that you are looking for this points. Okay, accordingly you will get the list or table, whatever you are looking for. So let's try. Please generate all the 30 git commands with explanation, with example. So here I'm mentioning 30. Okay, I'm giving a specific number. So let's see, generate a cheat sheet on, let's try this.
Generating.
See, now as I said that it generated all the commands with description and example. Now look at the capability and not the example. So here I'm showing Excel generator. So instant Excel report generation on any user given topic. So you can understand the importance of it. In real time, what we do, we search either on Google browser or we'll go to LLM and input our query. But here it is generating the data in the Excel format itself, right? That is, you will see many things in the next episode. You are not only extracting, but you are also building it in your preferred format. Okay, and that is very essential if you are designing a chain. Okay, a chain of automation, RPA. Okay, I think you already got the point. All right, I'm sorry. Next, code generator. Okay, so just like that you can give any comment. I am going to the next bot. There are a lot of bots, that's why I'm making it a little fast. Activate bot 5. Okay,
Code AI bot activated.
now ask any coding related problems. Let's say write Fibonacci series code in Python. Okay.
Generating within 15 seconds or less. Saving in output directory.
Okay, if I load this and I change from Python to, let's say, Java, see this.
Generating within 15 seconds or less. Saving in output directory.
See, neither the language matters nor the topic matters. Okay. Now let's go to the next bot, which is okay. Here I am just having the same list of bots. Okay. Okay. Then next is image bot number 6.
Image bot activated.
So purpose of this bot to extract any image as per the search title. Okay, you don't have to go to any image site or anywhere else. Okay, get images of GTA 5. Look at the path. Okay, it's my desktop, theme folder, gallery. Okay, under the workspace of Jarvis. Okay, now it will be the same. Now let's change it and get images of, you can specify the number of images, by the way, of 8-bit Nintendo game, let's say Contra. I don't know, this generation will miss this exciting games. Doesn't matter whether it's 8-bit or 16-bit. Okay. Let's try. I'm going, what was the name? Tahaka. This is a very specific query. Okay, those who has played the game will understand it. Get images of Prince of Persia. Let's try again. Yeah, this is it. All right. So basically you can get any image. Okay. All right. Let's move to next bot. Oh, right. So bot number 7. Okay, we can close this one.
Alexa bot activated.
Now you can ask anything to ChatGPT. It's not going to the browser and typing your query. You are straightforward asking from here. It looks cool when you are talking. It feels so real. Okay, but alternatively you can type your query and you can ask anything. And also, if you remember, I showed you the example how you can which episode, yeah, episode number 3, how you can do different role plays. You can set the context and ask ChatGPT or this one LLM to play different types of role plays. Okay, and you can keep on going on the conversation with that. Okay, you can ask as a teacher, role play as a teacher, as a friend. Okay, whatever you want. Okay, so here, tell me the distance between all right.
The distance between Louvre Museum and Eiffel Tower is around 3.5 kilometers.
All right. I mean, what else? Okay, let's ask something different. Tell me
No, I do not lie.
okay.
The is the most common English word used across the globe.
Okay. All right.
Yes, my database is up to date. The current date is 15th of November. Today's full date with year is November 15th, 2023.
So you see, I told it before that I'm using an older version, which is not the latest version. That's why it is giving a response like that. So it doesn't matter which version you are using. So basically it's just a database parameter. If you configure it to use GPT version 4.0 or 4.x, it will give the more latest data. Okay. All right. This is how the bot 7 works. Okay. Now let's go to the next, what this is doing. All right. So regarding this Excel bot and others, I'm going to show. I just need a break. Okay, need some water, and then I will continue on the other bots quickly. Okay, so I'm pausing my screen here exactly in the same time. It's night time. Oh my god. Okay. All right, I'll be back. All right, friends, I'm back. Let's proceed to next bot. I went for a smoke actually. Okay, so now starting with the automation. Now before I start, just want to mention here in this series, I think, okay, yeah, this episode 5 basically is combining 6 episodes into one. Just note that I put or combined all the 6 episodes together because here I showed, voice operation with Excel, with PowerPoint, with Word, with web, with database, okay, with browser. Okay, now I put all this together along with the OS operations because I want you to feel the whole as a operating system, how a voice driven operating system looks like. Okay, I mean, that's the reason I combined. If you want to see these videos separately, okay, there is another playlist, voice driven OS and desktop automation. So you can, here is a playlist and you can browse or see each different episode. So this one is for Excel, then with PowerPoint, all voice driven operations. Okay, then Word, then OS, a new way to manage different OS operations. Okay, yeah. um, then the web automation with YouTube, with database. So these 6 episodes I combined into this one episode. So if you are watching all of them in this, then use the chapters. Okay, anyway, that's the point I wanted to mention. Now I mean, there are so many operations. I'm not going to show all. I'm just going to show a few through J2 Pilot. Okay, so let's start with Excel.
Excel bot activated.
Okay.
Excel bot activated.
Oh, okay. There are 2 instances of Jarvis running. I think I reopened it. Okay. Let me just close and reopen it. So basically, I have disabled the authentication that should come at the very beginning. Okay. Now, and if you are wondering about the Excel appearance, so just note that the entire Jarvis code is written on Python. Okay, for all this interpretations and presentation, I'm using this Excel screens and other things. Okay, now sorry, I accidentally clicked on the Microsoft Copilot. Yeah. All right. Activate bot 8.
Excel bot activated.
All right. Let's use the OS module to first open any file. I'm going to open one of the Excel file, and then we will do some operations. So you will also be able to see the OS one as well. So show my desktop, go to folder ID 16. Okay, now go to Z dataset is the sample data folder where I have put different types of files to give demonstration on. Okay, so go to folder ID 7. This is showing all this. So basically you are traversing any part of your OS in one screen without actually going to that. Manually, if I go, let's see, this is the folder sample data. If I go, you will see this one. Okay, and under that Z dataset I have put all these different files. Okay, but I'm not physically opening that, rather I'm doing it using Jarvis display screen. I'm going to open DSA tracker, this one 141, this one. Okay, all right, so here, so all these files are shown, whatever content is there. So I want only show only Excel file types. Okay, so it filters out all the remaining one and shows only the relevant one, Excel type. And now I have to open item ID 2. Okay, so that is the ID basically pointing to that different files and folders. Okay, now close display, we are done with. So these are part of the OS navigations, OS operations, browsing files. There are a lot of, I think if you have seen that OS demonstration, there are lots of commands and capabilities I showed there. Okay, now what is that? Okay, so sheet, okay, let's maximize it. All right, let me make it a bit transparent so that you can see through it. All right, go to sheet number 1. See, it has it switched to sheet number 1. Here I have all this data set. So as I said, that focus on the capability and not the example. So it can be any Excel file, it can be any sheet, it can hold any data, doesn't matter at all. Now I just want to create a pivot table, pivot chart, slicers, etc., like that. Okay, so I am giving a comment. Okay, let me create a pivot table from active sheet. All right, now show pivot field ID. So it is showing category, pattern, DS algorithm, lead code ID, problem, label. Okay, now I'm going to use these IDs to place to different sections. So okay, I'm opening this. I'm sorry, I need to refer to this because this episode is very difficult to record, because all other episodes I recorded only, I worked on only one bot. Now in this episode I am showing all the 25 bots, so that's why and yeah, a million lines of code is currently running on my head, along with 2000 functions, 40 plus frameworks, and a lot of things. Okay. All right, Now yeah, so what I should do, yeah, so add pivot field ID. I'm going to filter it by 2, field ID 2 as rows. Okay, pattern and DS, and I am going to use field ID 1 as columns. Okay, so also I am going to use field ID or problem field ID 4 as value. Okay, let's see what is happening behind. Close display. Yeah, so it is basically here, if you see. All right, so it has built that pivot table. Okay, now let's try to add the pivot chart, and for pivot chart I first need to see create pivot chart of type ID, let's say 1. Okay, change pivot chart type ID to 2. Yeah, that's pretty much better. Yeah, there are, okay, so if you want to see how many pivot chart types are there, so just what is the command? Show pivot chart styles. Okay, show chart styles. You can choose any of them. Okay, all right, close display. Let's move the chart little. Okay, go to custom range, let's say G2. Move, I think, move pivot chart to selection. Yeah, now let's set pivot chart. Okay, set pivot chart title as DSA analysis, right? Okay, now set pivot chart height as 400. Width let's say 600. That's better. Okay, you can show what else? Show minor grid lines. Yeah, it is shown. Sorry. Yeah, So let's add some slicers now. Insert slicer on field ID 1. All right. Again, field ID 2. Right. Now go to custom range. Let's say C3. Okay. Now slicer of field ID go to custom range. Let's say C18. Move slicer of field ID 1. All right. So I think this is enough example how you can design your dashboard with any slicer, any pivot chart, with any different on different pivot tables. Okay, and the same way you can carry out any operations or all the important operations. My Excel library, I created the Excel library with the most capabilities. So there are, I think, more than 205 capabilities are there. Using that, in permutation and combination, you can do a lot of things. Okay, so yeah, I mean, you can configure the slicers, styles. Okay, apply different style like that. Okay, yeah. So please note that what is really important capability to note from this, that you can analyze basically any data. Okay, so it has all the different Excel capabilities. And what I just did, I passed some commands in English. So I wanted to say that in the next episode, but don't you think that I'm using English as a programming language like Python, VBA, C++ or other language? I'm just typing in English, right? Anyway, you will realize that in the next episode, okay, when we will create workflow, end-to-end workflow. All right. So anyway, let's move to the next bot. Okay, close and save workbook. All right, now activate bot number 9.
PPT bot activated.
Open new presentation. Add a new slide. Set presentation title as automation with AI is a deadly combination. Okay, add new slide, set slide title as voice magic. Now this is YouTube pilot. Okay, now I mean there are lot of operations as well on GPT, and I just made a list of few of them. So what should I show? Set presentation title as okay. Yeah, just keep me okay. Insert a header at position index 11. Set update text as header element. Then insert a text box at position index 22. Just like that you can keep on adding elements, and you can place them on any position using the left, right, top, whatever available properties you have. Okay, so just refer to the video. Okay, PowerPoint video. I have shown all those examples. Okay, I'm not going to repeat them, because if you have already watched that, there is no point of doing it again. Okay, just remember that in these videos, so these are the voice driven way. Okay, so that all these are much harder than this what I'm doing right now. So if it works through speech, through your voice, it is obviously it will work through text, because in text there is no chance of error. I can give the exact command with exact parameter, and all that will work. Okay, so I'm not going to repeat them again. Just like that, see for word. Okay, okay, let me at least touch one or two comments. So close presentation without saving. All right, now activate bot number 10.
Word bot activated.
Yeah, create a new Word document. I don't want to stress on my mind or my memory. Okay, it's not my memory test, rather whether 𝐻𝐤𝐵 is able to perform the right thing or not. That is what we are checking here. Okay, create new Word document. Add a title with text as automation. Add a paragraph. text as whatever. Just like that, you can create a new table. Okay, let's try to create a table. Create a table of 4 rows and 7 columns. See, and then you can keep on updating the cell specific commands to fill up the value. Okay, now why I am showing all this, because we are not going to pass each command one by one. Okay, and that's the reason in workflow we are going to run all this automatically. Okay, but these commands or these capabilities are the building blocks, okay, for running a end-to-end scenario. That's why I'm showing this. Okay, now same like that, I mean, please watch this one, Word. Okay, OS I have already shown. There are 2 different bots I designed. One is the traditional way to, I mean, navigate file folder and carry out different operations. The second way is the new way, okay, where you don't have to go anywhere. Okay, you don't have to open any folder. Right in front of your screen you will see the pop-up, you will see all the file listing, all the just what I showed you a few minutes ago. Like I traversed to a specific folder, I opened a file, also I performed the filtering operation using the type. So you can do many things. Okay, just go through this video. All right, web automation, I think. Okay, this is bot number, this is okay. Close document, all right, now activate bot number 12. YouTube
Web browser bot activated.
web browser. Okay, search and play for video title. So again, search and play for video title. What should I say? Folder to portal. Let's see. Yeah. Full screen. Go to middle. Oh, I love this music. Okay. Go to climax or end. Go backward. Oh, I'm sorry, it's the wrong command. See? Alright, I'm closing YouTube. So just like that, you can parameterize giving any video title, okay, and then control the navigation. So just watch the video and you will see that your mouth is working as a remote and you don't need any physical device to control your video playback and other things. Okay, now next, activate module number 13, that is the database bot.
Database bot activated.
Okay, show all databases. This is showing from a database, okay, SQL-like database. Now this screen not only shows any files and folders in your OS, but I can also fetch the view of database and tables, okay, and let you to perform different database related activities, like, you know, I have shown in database bot as well as in the cross bot, okay, or digital bot. Okay, so please refer to this video, episode number 8, and voice automation with database. Okay, so you will see a lot of operations that I have performed in these two videos. Okay, so let's say I just want to activate database ID number, let's say 44 or maybe 47.
Database Paro is now active.
Show all tables. Show table ID number 3. This shows the different records. Now if you activate the digital bot or cross bot, activate bot 25, I think that's the digital bot.
Digital bot activated.
Show all tables. Activate database, activate table ID 3.
Table Excel _ bot _ demo is set as active table.
Right. So now in the crossbot, I already showed you how you can transfer your data in different formats. Import, export, I mean database to CSV, database to JSON, XML, text, Excel, okay, and in the reverse way from Excel to database, like that. Okay, so I will just show one. Yeah, so I just activated the table and export table. What is the command? Export active table to Excel. Okay,
No active Excel workbook has been set.
I'm sorry, I have to open a workbook first. Create a new workbook. Alright, now see that export active table to Excel. See here, the data is exported from database to Excel. Now I'm just performing the same command for a different data set, this time not Excel. Let's pick up XML. Says I just converted into XML, JSON, text. Yeah, just like that. So just refer to those videos. Okay, I have shown a lot of operations. All right, I mean fetching data directly from LLM. Okay, storing it as an active data set, then doing multiple iterations along with the database. Okay, and there are also many other things that I haven't shown. Data analytics related operations, running queries, dynamic queries on any data set. Okay, there are a lot of things. Okay. Yeah. All right. So I think we are good enough on this one. uh, where was the picture? No, this is not. Okay, I think we are good at this. I close the picture. Yeah, close display.
Last active window title not opened anymore.
Okay. Oh, all right. Let me close it now. All right. Now, just note that this bot number 15 and 16, these are language specific bots to switch between any language. So I have shown a lot of examples in this. I think one world one language episode number 2, that how you can switch between any language. You can speak in any language. You can, I mean, Jarvis or Friday can transcribe it to any language. So read, write, speak, listen. So all these operations I have shown in this episode. All right. Now this you cannot activate or directly use through this chat mode because it requires your voice input. Okay. All right. Next, same like message bot. Okay, it can transcribe. I think this is accessible. Let's try activate bot number 16.
Global Messenger bot activated.
Right. Um, global messenger bot. Yeah. So start national translation. That's it. Yeah. Okay. Let's try. Okay, I think this is not accessible properly because again it requires some recording. Okay, your voice input will be transcribed to all different languages that is present. Okay, so let's not try that. Yeah. So 15, 16 both are not accessible. Then again, these are voice bots, bot number 17 as well as 18. So these are not available in the text mode. Okay. One thing I must say that I am developing the features one by one, and I myself is not accustomed to it all the things yet. Okay, I tested it multiple times, but there are, it's a huge solution. So sometimes I also miss information about my own product. Okay, now then comes the vision bot. So this is one of the very important aspect that I showed, I think, in episode number 6. Yeah, this episode. So basically, sorry. Yeah, so in this episode I have shown, how we can use different cameras, like facial recognition for the laptop camera or default camera, external camera like this one. Okay, uh, I have shown multiple operation related to video processing or image processing, and also showed you lots of examples on the power of third eye, okay, which is basically the screen. Okay, so yeah, so please go through this one. This is very important one. Okay, and next, what next? Yeah, um, vision bot, screen bot. All right, so data bot. So one of the biggest or the game changer, I would say, is the data bot. Okay, I didn't find any better name other than data bot. Okay, because it is universal, and I think I have shown at least 14 examples in episode number, yeah, episode number 4. Okay, this is 1.5 hour video because I have shown a lot of examples. Okay, uh, yeah, how we can actually work on our local or native data with different file types. Okay, um, Excel, PPT, Word, PDF, image file, log, XML, JSON, text, HTML. So please, watch that, how we can do anything with any file. We can regenerate the content, we can extract the information from them. So basically, in technical term, how to process unstructured data. Okay, just like you type something in ChatGPT, and you get the response on that. How similarly we can do the same thing in our local system data. So anyway, if you have already seen the episode, I think you understand. So this is one of the most important episode. Okay, and I said power of automation when combined with AI. Okay, it can do a lot of things. Okay, and in the workflow I will show you how or which are the cases we can combine the power of automation as well as AI, and putting both of them in a single chain. Okay, right. Okay, next. Yeah, um, DevBot 23. All right, I'm closing. I think we are good here. Okay, let me hide it. Activate bot 23.
Web developer bot activated.
So in episode number 7, I showed you how you can generate any website on the fly in just one line of code and almost within a minute. Okay, please generate a website on top 5 tourist attractions in Manali, Himachal Pradesh, India.
Sure. getting your desired website ready within a minute or so. Follow on-screen logs if you wish. Preparing master data.
Seconds.
Live server is running. If all okay, just say upload to remote repo to publish the encrypted production portal. And you will be able to access it from anywhere in the world.
Yeah, so one comment, one portal on the fly. Now let's see what it has generated. Adventure and activities. So I just gave a topic like create a website on Manali, Uttar Pradesh in India. It's a beautiful place. Sorry, it's Himachal Pradesh, my mistake. So, and it has generated a live portal or real-time portal, I should say, with all this information. Okay, so camping. So here you have the video. Okay, here you have the pictures. Okay, now all this happened in real time. Okay, and all this text descriptions. Okay, yeah, paragliding. Okay, so you can see you can click. I'm not showing, I don't know which video it has picked up, but the same way it will work for all cases. Okay, so just like that. Now same way, river rafting, like that, like that. Then local cuisines, yeah, Bias river, all right, Jogini waterfalls, shopping destinations, Mall Road, Manali, I believe. Yeah, Old Manali, all right, tourist attractions. Okay, so Rotang Pass, Solang Valley, these are amazing places. Yeah, along with the description. So like this. If you click any image, it will just pop like this. Right. So again, do not focus on the example, but focus on the capability. So just like document, presentation, PDF, code, code generation, we can also generate a full-blown portal. I mean, it's a static portal technically, but it is generated within a minute on the fly. Okay, that is the capability. Now not just that, in the episode 7 I also showed how you can generate portal with your local data when you have all these images, descriptions, things in your place, I mean in your laptop, how you can build similar structure. Now it's not just about portal, you can do a lot of things. Okay, the bigger picture of it is basically managing all your digital data, so organizing your data, categorizing your data, and make it available at your fingertip. Okay, so that's a bigger picture of it. Okay, so these are the things like just I close this one. Yeah, you go through this episode 7 and you will see all the different examples I showed. Anyway, I think we are good. Bot number 23. Okay, now regarding the remaining bot like RPA bot, that is basically part of the workflow bot that I'm going to show in the last episode. Digital bot, I have shown that in episode number 8, working across bots, parameterizing the different actions, parameterizing the bots. You can generate hundred of reports or hundreds of websites in one line. Again, if you do parameterizing with active list of parameters, if you set the parameters or list, you can just run it for all these bots. Okay, so just watch this episode 8 carefully. Okay, now test bot, this is still in progress. I need to add few more things, so that's why I'm not showing this right now. And finally, the bot number 26, that is the workflow bot. So that's the whole picture. Now if you have already watched all the videos, then I think your idea about this will be pretty clear by now. So we have all these capabilities. You saw that I have just executed all these commands from that single prompt, and it generated all these things. So I think now you can understand the meaning of tied up everything or integrating everything, all the capabilities into one core. Okay, now in the next episode I will show you what, or how you can combine all these things in a chain and create infinite number of workflows. All right, so that's it for this episode. See you in the next episode and the last episode, the grand finale, the climax, whatever you call it. All right, friends, bye.